This is part 3 of filling up the subway with cheese. Hello, Skittle.
Hello, again.
How long are we doing this? Do you know? How long are we doing this?
I don't know.
Okay. Why does
I think
this look
20
so
minutes.
satisfying? What?
I think 20 minutes.
Oh my god. Yeah, no, more, because I started the video after we start, maybe 30 minutes.
Yes.
Even 40. Help me fill up the space. My god, so long. Yes. The end of the ball. I mean, you know.
I'm so tired.
Let me look at it. Oh my god, this looks so good. So cheesy. Look up.
So cheesy.
I know. Oh my god. I feel like we made a masterpiece. This is masterpiece.
Yes.
Fill up this.
Next time we fill with strawberry.
No. We don't have paint count for that. Actually, I'm gonna just clear it.
No.
But after the video. Oh my god.
Wait, Ripperton, do we need to paint this part here? No, right?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a line where we paint to. You paint the walls and you know. I'm gonna just do a line. Don't draw. Okay, I made line. So we know. We do that for the last, okay? Now we are gonna fill up these things. Come help me. Actually, you fill up something else. Like I don't know how to explain. Whatever.
This floor is so cheesy.
I know. No, I don't think we will have enough paint.
Yes. My country is the country of the cheese. I must eat it all.
Switzerland.
No, Netherlands. We eat lots of cheese.
For real?
Yeah.
People don't get fat in your country?
Yes. We not like avocado.
What?
We not like avocado.
Oh yeah, I know that. He's American.
Yes.
You know what Americans do. Number 1, they have guns. Number 2, they eat too much. Number 3,
They can go into space.
hey, stop being racist.
Not racist.
What did you say before? Poland can't into Spain.
No, Poland can't into Spain.
Oh. No, stop lying.
No lie.
I know how to say I'm Polish in Spanish. I mean Mexicanish.
Mexicanisch.
Yes. No, I'm just kidding. It's Spanish. Just making funny joke.
Imagine if someone says that we speak Netherlandish and our country is Dutchland.
You speak Hollandish. Sorry. I thought it was funny. Bro, this
Stop
looks
being
so
racist.
cheesy.
Stop being racist.
Stop being racist. Says the one that told Poland can't into space.
No, Poland can't
Whatever.
do Spain. Okay, ASMR.
Hey, this is a cheese video, not an ASMR. Wait, actually,
But-
cheese is food, so... Okay, continue.
But
Eat
it's
faster.
it's nacho cheese.
Eat faster. That's still slow. I don't care. Just hold your mouth
What?
and just keep pressing it. How fast you can.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Not pressing your keyboard. What the heck?
No, I'm not pressing my keyboard.
Oh, then I am stupid.
This looks so cheesy. I want to eat it all.
No. You will destroy. Oh my god, this looks so good. I want to eat it. Even that. Actually, I don't want to eat it. I hate cheese.
But really?
I only like cheese on hamburger. But I only like cheddar cheese.
American cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Yes. I like that type of cheese.
Old cheese.
But only on hamburger.
Old cheese is good. Old cheese. Old. Belegerde cheese is not lekker.
What the heck? Do you age your cheese?
Yes.
It probably smells like your grandma's toes.
No. It stays in the ground.
What sticks
cook
to the
it.
ground? Ayo. What?
Be in the machine longer.
Oh my. Okay. I don't wanna access that. Can I have ice cream with the taste of your grandma's toenails?
No. we do have flamingo. We do have flamingo flavor though. No, we do have it.
For real?
Yes.
Your country is cannibal.
No.
I have
no.
cannibal friends though. He will.
We also have Smurf flavor.
I have that. And some.
Let me
shops.
think. We also have no. We
Do you
have
have human flesh flavor then?
no. We do have let me think. We
Pee-pee.
have
Your anus.
let me think. Wait, no swear.
I'm not swearing. It's cool word.
Let me think. We had penguin flavor.
What? What the heck? The things they come up in the Netherlands. What the heck, bro? You should for real leave your country. No. The next flavor Netherlands come up with sheep flavor, poopy flavor, your mom toenails flavor.
No. We also have like we have like what was it called? We have
My game lagging kinda.
I thought it was like in Dutch you pronounce it as dog. We have in
Dog
Dutch
flesh ice cream flavor.
no, in Dutch you pronounce it as dog, but it isn't dog. It's like a duck flavor.
Oh my god, this looks so satisfying. I want to eat a bite of it. I mean no. Cause it's cheese.
I think we also had a cheese flavor.
You? Who would eat that?
I don't know.
Maybe an avocado would eat that. Why not?
Maybe also, no, nothing. I thought like we also had, what was it called?
Do you eat Smurfs?
Yes, we do.
Are you biting one of them? There's head off. I don't know how to spell.
I think I do.
Blue flavor.
You should really try the flavors at let me think,
Do you know how
table.
colors taste then?
What?
Do you know how colors taste then?
No.
Yellow tastes like pea.
What?
Didn't know. Yellow tastes like pea. I mean lemon. My favorite.
He pretend.
Yes.
Are we done?
Kinda. This has 10 minutes. I don't care. We're ending.
No, Among Us.
Yeah. This is the end of the video. But since you watched through all the parts, you get to see our drawings. Oh, cheese Subway. Thanks for doing that. What's that?
Yeah, what is that?
What is that?
Wait.
Wait, that makes sound. Wait, I can climb it. Wait. Draw a pee. No, there's a wall. But that's scary. Okay, come. Wait, what? If I turn off night mode, she disappears. She's only in night mode.
Really?
That's creepy.
I'm gonna turn off night mode.
I didn't know I drew this, but I drew it. So guys, this is that I guess dog. I drew me when I was younger. I can show the skin, but wait. I'ma just wear it. This is. You need to rate this, guys. Rate how I drew this in comments. Out of 10. I think this is like 9 out of 10. This looks like the rob's face. This is me. This is the drawing I made. That's cute. Okay. I have one more drawing. I made today. And it's those. That's how I draw those. Oh yeah, I forgot. I draw with. I mean, we drew with Skittle. And Among Us with Poopy. I made the Poopy. Skittle made the Among Us. I made the shadow. He made this. I just scribbled all over it. And for the end of the video, I'm gonna draw an Among Us by myself. But real fast, because I don't have time. Dun, 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 dun. Why does this look so good?
It looks so bad.
Stop! It looks good. Bro, it looks good! You can't lie to me.
It looks bad. Mine is better.
Okay, but I'm doing it alone.
Yes, but you randomly help me.
Yes, I help. But do I... No, stop lying. Is it good or no?
It's
Not compared to yours.
It's good, but not as good as mine.
I said not compared to yours.
No, because this is ours.
Whatever. Let me draw. This is so
This
good.
is so good.
Oh, no.